Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Stacy, and today I wanted to talk about Dashing Divas, the Magic Press nails. And I have used Kiss before, so this was my first time using. I have used the Dashing Diva nail strips, but this was my first time using their press-on nails. And I really liked it. I will show you how they applied and what they look like when I did apply them. So my nails have been looking pretty bad moving, so I thought, why put them on? But then it dawned on me that that would be a good test of these, since considering I am unpacking boxes and going through and moving some things, that let's see how long these last on my nails when you really give them a test. This is Dashing Diva Magic Press Medium, and here's what they look like. And Throw Fade is the color name. So let me get these open. So you open them up and they put the ones in the package that looks nice, and then you have these right here. So let's see, this is your nail file and prep pad. So I'll open that pad here. So you take that out, and then you're just gonna wipe each nail. Get all the excess oil off. So I went through and matched up each of the nails to my fingers to find the right sizes. And here is what I have left over. So we're setting those aside. Use for a later time, and that just closes back up so you can save that. And they do give you the directions. You prep and push back your cuticles with the cuticle pusher that they provide, and then you want the tab to be on the bottom near the cuticle. So then you pull the tab and press on, and the longer you press, the more it should stick. So I'll say that on first impressions, these seem a little bit thicker. I'd have to really compare them, but a little bit thicker than the Kiss ones that I've tried. And I noticed that there was a lot more wider ones, like when I held them up like this, than the Kiss ones. And they do recommend doing your thumbs last. So we're going to peel off the adhesive backing. Here's what the nail looks like. You can see the adhesive on there. Line it up and then press down, kind of roll. And voila, we are done. I think those look pretty nice. And of course, then you can file them if you want to kind of change the shape or anything. But I'm just going to leave them as is. So
we will see how long these last. Yeah, easy peasy. So I would say these and Kiss, they're pretty much the same to put on.
It says on here that they last up to 7 days. I was actually able to get a little bit of extra out of it, which I was surprised, because if you watch my videos, I'm taking forever to move, but I was moving and unloading boxes, unpacking boxes, packing boxes, and all that stuff. So I didn't kind of expect these to last as long as they should, but they definitely stayed on for 7 days. A little bit after the 7 days, a couple of them started coming off, or the sides of them would bend, so that I just took them off. But I would say if you're not working with your hands, you might be able to get like a week and a half up to 2 weeks with these. Now, some of the Kiss ones I have gotten up to 2 weeks, and then other ones I have not. So it just kind of depends. But I would say, from my experience of what I've tried so far, that the Kiss and the Dashing Diva press-on nails, you're probably gonna get like a week to 2 weeks on average of them. Like I said before on the Kiss, some of them I've had almost on a month, but that is kind of rare. So I would go with the expectations of a week to 2 weeks if you're using these. They will be on my list to add into the rotation. I like to do kind of the nail strips. This is going to be an upcoming video. Nail strips and the press-on nails, and then regular nail polish mixed in there. Let me know what you think of the Dashing Diva Magic Press nails. Have you tried them before? Do you like press-on nails, or do you go more for nail strips or regular nail polish? Let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.